Meaning of endomorph.
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 Endomorph. Endomorph refers to a body type characterized by higher levels of body fat and a rounder, softer appearance. These individuals may have a slower metabolism and find it easier to gain weight. Endomorphs tend to store excess fat in the abdomen, hips, and thighs, which can increase the risk for health issues such as diabetes and heart disease. However, with a balanced diet and regular exercise, endomorphs can still achieve their desired fitness goals and lead a healthy lifestyle.